Hey, this is Panda Express Project here. We're at Garage Work. We're here to pick up my buddy's Camaro.
What's going on? I'm Aaron from Garage Works. Finally getting rid of this car. Customer's happy. You can take it home.
What's up? I'm Aaron. I'm owner of the T-Lop. I'm ready to go.
Woo! Hey, you guys. This is Panda Express Project here. We're here at Garage Work. We're here picking up my buddy's Camaro. I was in a shop to take care of a few things, some exhaust stuff, and remove some emission stuff they probably don't need no more. So anyway, we're gonna go inside, check out what's been going on, and then we're gonna see it rolled out. Yes, it is. Yep.
We got one part of it out the way.
Yeah, the Camaro startup part. Take two.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, just don't lose that fucking piece. Say hi.
Hello.
You know what the funny part is right now? That there's a Mexican Aaron and there's the white Aaron.
Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican. What the fuck? I don't know.
Hey, you're gonna get views for that one.
That's if I put it in. That's only if I put it in.
What's going on, guys? I'm Aaron from Garage Works.
I'm just here.
Fucking pole. That should be the best part. I'm telling you, fucked up big time.
You got that yellow thing, Panda?
What yellow? Oh yeah, I got the yellow thing here. She drinks a lot of shit. I mean, that's.
She's a hoe. What do you expect?
Well, she's a heavy drinker, just like someone over here.
Where?
Damn.
Truck gets like 12 miles
I get like 15, 16 miles to a gallon.
I think my minivan gets like 18.
I think it gets less than that because I only get about 230, 240 to the tank, and it's a 26 gallon tank.
Yeah, I think I get. Oh, I got 117 out.
Probably haven't had fuel in a while.
Go ahead. Hold on. Let me see if you have spark. Wait, which key are you using?
Almost there. Almost there. little shitty, but hey, that's a lot more bald eagle than it was earlier.
She's alive!
Hear that bald eagle soar. Super Dale. Let's hear that idle. Punch it! I can fucking hear you guys from like miles away. Yeah, sure. Going for another round, make sure everything's working properly before we head home. So Aaron, how do you feel?
Ready to fucking beat the balls off it.
You're excited it's actually finally coming home? We actually what issue did we had? We had two issues. We found out there was a ground starter issue, and then
The fuel pump relay was
shitty.
Yeah.
Well, it's typical American shit, but it runs.
Stop it.
That's typical, but it runs. Now, you hear that fucking exhaust, man? Everyone's gonna think it's gonna have a fucking cam or some shit. What is it? SLP or something?
SLP LM1.
Loudmouth? It's loud, very loud.
Yeah, it's a loudmouth exhaust. I think it's the first design.
Oh, cool, cool. Hear them bald eagle soar or fly, either way.